All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So it's apparently Audi R8 week. So we have a couple Audi R8s in for some audio upgrades. So these vehicles are amazing high performance vehicles, but the stereo is not. The technology is very old. It doesn't even have a way to stream audio. So a lot of times in the past, it was very difficult to change the radio in these vehicles. There was only like one company that made a kit, and it was nice, but it wasn't an ideal kit. There's a new kit available which fits really well and allows you to retain all the functionality of the vehicle. So we're doing actually a radio upgrade on both of these vehicles. This one's already done, that one's next. On this one, we also added some engine lights as well as a sub package. So we did 210s behind the seat. This thing rocks. I mean, it just sounds amazing. All right, so this is we put an Alpine radio in it. So this is the dash bezel. It allows you to retain all these controls. So these controls are all still functional. So you have the ability to, volume up and down, answer calls. You can hit the button and immediately pull up your gauges, which also does your parking sensors as well as your vehicle info. Tells you if a door is open, battery pressure, all that good stuff. And basically just allows you to retain some functionality and not just have a big blank spot here. It also retains all the factory steering wheel controls. So your volume, your treble, your next track, previous track, all that stuff stays. And it just looks and gives you all the modern conveniences of a brand new car. So you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the factory backup camera still works. Basically brings this car into the current time. This client also wanted some bass. We went with this 210 audio mobile enclosure. So it's got a active and passive subwoofer, and we went with this SR 501 amplifier. So we are pumping roughly 800 watts to the 10-inch sub, but it makes a huge difference. We built some custom brackets bolted to the car itself. So, I mean, I don't know if you could see, but I'm shaking the entire car. So this obviously, but the enclosure being right here, you definitely want to do something to secure it. So we custom bent some brackets and mounted it to the vehicle itself. It's actually bolted with some M6 hardware, and it's plush nut or riveted to the vehicle itself. If you ever have to take it off though, you pop this trim off, and then there's 2 bolts. You remove the bolts, take the enclosure, you can pop the trim on. There's no visible holes or damage to the vehicle itself. Like always, everything that we do, we can reverse. Right. And as always, we don't like just a bass knob stuck or double-sided taped or down somewhere where it's very difficult to reach. We always take the extra time to disassemble the bass knob and then mount it in a way that looks as if it could have came with the vehicle. Now this vehicle, it was definitely more difficult than our standard ones. So this shroud is very long, but as you can see, we mounted it right here. So now the bass knob is, when you're driving, the bass knob is really easy to reach. And so you can adjust it on the fly. And it doesn't, take away from the vehicle. Looks like it could have came there, and all you see is that knob itself. There's no big box or lights or anything. It's just a knob, and it does what it has to do. So we're very big on things, the way things function, and also obviously aesthetically, we want them to look as if they came with the vehicle. So the other thing this client wanted was some engine lights. Nothing too crazy, but he wanted the engine to glow red. So we put a dedicated switch, and we put 4 high intensity LEDs in there that actually light up through the grille. At night, this thing glows insane. It just gives it a really cool look and just highlights the engine.